Managing email campaigns in Folk CRM is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their communication process with customers. If you're unfamiliar with Folk CRM, stick around, because today I'll be breaking down how to use this powerful software to manage your email campaigns effectively, so you can drive results faster and with more ease. Folk CRM isn't just about organizing contacts. It's built to optimize every step of your communication, from email outreach to follow-ups, all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to set up email campaigns, personalize outreach, and track your results to ensure your efforts are paying off. To get started with Folk CRM, sign up for free using the first link in the description below, where you'll also get some exclusive bonuses. But before you dive in, let's take a closer look at how this platform simplifies email marketing. Once you've logged into your Folk CRM account, you'll find that managing email campaigns is an intuitive process. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, so you can jump right in without feeling overwhelmed. Folk CRM allows you to segment your contacts based on custom filters you create, which is essential when you want to send targeted emails to different groups, whether they're leads, existing customers, or something else. You can create email campaigns in Folk CRM by simply selecting your contact group and crafting your email within the platform. What's really powerful about Folk CRM is how it lets you personalize each email at scale. You can use dynamic fields to include each recipient's name or other custom information, making your emails feel more personal and less like a mass send. Another great feature is automation. Folk CRM allows you to automate follow-up emails based on whether or not a contact has responded to your initial outreach. If you're managing multiple campaigns at once, this automation saves you tons of time and ensures that you never miss a beat. With Folk CRM, tracking performance is a breeze. You can monitor open rates, click-through rates, and reply rates to see how your campaigns are performing. This data helps you refine future emails and improve your overall strategy. Plus, the platform integrates with tools like Zapier, which means you can connect Folk CRM to other apps in your workflow, further automating and streamlining your email marketing efforts. What makes Folk CRM really stand out is its ability to give you a full 360-degree view of each contact. This means you can track not only emails, but also phone calls, notes, and tasks, which makes it easy to manage relationships with customers and prospects across multiple channels. Now here's the kicker. Folk CRM isn't just for email campaigns. It's an all-in-one CRM designed to help you manage every aspect of your customer relationships. Whether you're sending emails, managing contacts, or keeping track of customer interactions, Folk CRM centralizes everything in one platform. If you're ready to take your email campaigns to the next level, remember you can start using Folk CRM for free through the first link in the description below. You'll also get some exclusive bonuses that will give you even more functionality out of the gate. So to recap, Folk CRM is a fantastic tool for managing email campaigns with ease. You can segment contacts, personalize emails, automate follow-ups, track performance, and get a full view of your customer interactions, all in one place. And don't forget, by using the link below, you'll unlock a special extended free trial to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.